Hello everyone, I'm Victoria and this channel all about digital bullet journaling, learning and other stuff. And recently I came up with an idea to have my wallpaper with a calendar. That's what you are watching here. All of this you can download for free using the link in description box below. I am creating this wallpaper for my iPad because I feel that it could be useful here. I started with choosing a size and without hesitation chose just iPad 11 screen size. Also, I decided to use Affinity photo for this purpose. Transparent background, horizontal orientation as always. Using the right side, I decided to go with Unsplash because it's built in. You can use another website or this one. Just Google it in the browser. I haven't had any idea about what I want and just searched for November. As a result, I found two beautiful candles. Next step is to find how to move and resize it. It was chosen because of free space and I don't want to lose it. Then I removed text using the patch tool. After some time, I decided to add a calendar because it's a kinda productivity tool. I saved it to photos and here I had some options. I chose to edit and second left button, opening different color variations that you can choose from the right sidebar. Also, you can import it into Darkroom or Photoshop Express, but for this time I prefer PixArt. Because it has different free presets that we can choose quickly, just upload a picture, choose preset and download it. You don't even need to save it. But before it, I tried this creation as wallpaper and decided that's cool. but I will move the word November and it should be vertical. In the end, you will find different results that I saved using PixArt and you can download. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to subscribe, and if you already subscribed, thank you for being with me. I appreciate the attention, every one of you. Have a nice day, stay safe, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.